Hello and Assalamualaikum. Today I want to present about our mobile application which is UniPocket where students' money matter. So this is our group members which is Nur Maizatul Hanis, Aina Natasha and me, Siti Nurfar Nadia. So first of all, let me introduce our application which is called UniPocket. UniPocket is an e-wallet application developed specifically for UiTM students. The main purpose of this e-wallet is to make students' daily financial activities become more easier, faster, and more secure. Besides making cashless payment, UniPocket also can help students to manage their financial more better. For example, students can monitor their spending, set budgets, and track of their expenses so that they can become more aware of their financial habits. So one of the main features in our application is it can allowing the students to pay their UiTM fees directly through the app without needing to use multiple platforms. In addition, students can save money and even start investing through the application to encourage a better financial planning for them. And also, UniPocket also supports Now QR, making cashless payment quick and more convenient. So another useful features is expense tracking, where the users can monitor their monthly spending and manage their budget more effectively. Lastly, UniPocket also have Learning Hub, which provides financial tips, money savings strategies, and educational content to improve the students' financial knowledge. Overall, UniPocket is not just an e-wallet, it is all-in-one financial management that is designed to help UiTM students to spend their money wisely, save consistently, and manage their money more effectively. I'll pass to the next person. Thank you.
After reviewing several existing e-wallet applications, we identified a few problems that may affect the student experience in managing their finances. Although the current e-wallets provide convenient payment service, they are mostly designed for general users and do not fully support the specific needs of university students. Therefore, we identify three main problems that lead to the development of UniPocket. The first problem is the limited financial features for students. Most existing e-wallet applications do not provide university-related features such as UiTM fee payments, payment-related payment reminder, or integration with the university systems. This makes it difficult for the student to manage their educational expenses and keep track of their important payment deadlines efficiently. Next problem is the lack of proper financial management system. Currently, the student needs to use different platforms for different financial activities such as paying university fees and also managing the personal expenses. This can be inconvenient and make it harder for students to monitor their spending, savings, and overall financial situation in one place. Therefore, an all-in-one system is needed to help the student manage their finances more efficiently. The last problem is the lack of confidence in security. Some students are still concerned about the safety of their personal and financial information when using the digital payment application. This may reduce their trust and willingness to use this platform. Therefore, UniPocket aims to provide a secure and reliable platform which features such as encryption, two-step verification, and also fraud detection to increase their confidence for using our application. Based on these problems, UniPocket is proposed as a student-focused e-wallet that combines payment, financial tracking, saving features, and also security functions to help UiTM students manage their finances in a more organized way.
For this slide is aim and objective of finding. For aim is design a student-focused e-wallet that help UiTM students manage their finance efficiently while promoting better financial awareness. First objective is identify the factor that influence students to use e-wallet application and understand the financial challenges they face in their daily life at UiTM. For second objective is design the UniPocket prototype by integrating features such as university bill payment, spending tracking, budget management, and basic investment function. For objective number 3 is evaluate the prototype based on key quality aspects including usability, security, performance, and reliability to ensure a satisfying user experience. For lastly, objective is propose improvement based on the evaluation finding to enhance the functionality and overall effectiveness of the UniPocket prototype. For this slide is hierarchical task analysis for top-up use UniPocket application. First, open application, and if you are a new user, you need to sign up account. If already have a account, you just open application and log in account, and then select and expand features and do 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 and 4.4, which is enter top up amount, select payment method. For payment method, you can choose QR, FPI banks or card, and then enter payment date and submit payment request. For the next step is confirm top up transaction. First, you need to review enter information, click make payment button and receive transaction confirmation, and then your top up is successful. For this HTA slide is for managing UiTM fee using the UniPocket application. For the first task 0 is which is manage UiTM fees using the UniPocket application. First, the user open the application in task 1. If the user does not have an account, they need to sign up in task 2. If they already have an account, they can proceed to log in task 3. After login successful, the user select the UiTM fees menu in task 4. Next, in task 5, the user can view fee details. This section include 3 options, such as view outstanding balance to check any unpaid fees, or view payment status, where the user can filter the payment status as all, unpaid or paid. And last, view few record to review previous payment record. After that, the user proceed to task 6, which is make payment. The user click the make payment button, select the fee to pay, choose a payment method such as QR, FPI banks or card. Review the payment information, confirm the transaction, and finally submit the payment request. Once the payment request is submitted, the system display a payment confirmation in task 7. Finally, if the transaction is successful, the system display payment successful in task 8, indicating that the payment has been complete successful. That's all.
Moving on to the low fidelity prototype, we created a simple representation of UniPocket to visualize the initial design concept and the user flow. This prototype focuses on the basic layout and structure of the application without detailed visual elements and icons. It helped us to identify the potential improvement before developing a more advanced prototype. The following storyboard illustrate how students interact with UniPocket and how the system will support their financial activities. The first screen is the login page where user can log in using their student ID and password. The user also can continue log in with Google for easier access. There is also a forgot password option and a link for new user to register. The next screen is the user registration. The new user are required to enter their full name, student email, student ID, password, and confirmation for the password before creating an account. Next, for the third screen is dashboard. After user log in, user will be directed to the dashboard. This page will display the current account balance, quick action buttons, a spending chart, transaction history, and also a navigation bar to easy access to other features. Next, there are goal screen where the user can manage their saving goals. User can view their progress, check the target amount, and add a new financial goals. Next, for screen 5, the UiTM fees page will display the tuition fee information, including the balance and payment summary. User can also proceed directly to the payment page. For screen 6, which is the fee details, this page will provide detail and information about the selected fees such as academic session, due date, payment method, date and notes. Screen 7, which is the payment page, it will allow the user to make payments by selecting the payment method, entering payment date, adding notes if necessary, and also confirm the transactions. Screen 8, which is the learning hub, that provide educational content related to financial management such as budgeting tips, money saving, and also PTPTN section to improve the student financial knowledge. Next, the create goal screen is used to create a new saving goals. User can select a category, enter the goal name, target amount, and start and end dates. The last screen is the profile screen, which allow user to manage their personal information, update account setting, access help and support, and log out from the application. Overall, this low-fidelity prototype demonstrates the main user flow and also features of our application. It will help us to evaluate the usability of the interface before moving on to the high-fidelity prototype and the development phase.
Based on this pie chart, all respondents gave positive feedbacks towards the UniPocket's financial information features, where more than half of them strongly agreed, and the rest agreed that the app can help them to track their payment history, budget, spending, and also payment status. So this means UniPocket can make financial management become more easier because the students can view all their important financial information in one place. So it will help them to control their expenses and make better budgeting decision. That's all from me.
I would like to present the UniPocket mobile application. First, this is a welcome screen where users are welcome before entering the application. For the new user, they need to create an account by tapping the sign up option. They are required to enter their personal information such as student ID, student email, and create password. Once all the required information is complete, user can tap the sign up button to register successfully. And after that, user can put the information to log in, such as student ID and password. After login, user will be directed to the home page. This page is display the wallet balance and provide quick access to the main feature including UiTM fees, wallet, goal, and learning hub. Also can see the transaction history. So first we are create the goal. To create the goal, just click the create new goal button and can fill the category, name, and also amount. After fill the information, click goal button and then it is display the goal create successful. This is the UiTM payment page. User can filter their payment status by selecting either all unpaid or paid. User can simply select one of the unpaid fees to proceed to the payment page and complete the payment process. User also can fill the notes and then click payment button and click approve if the transaction is confirmed. For the next features is to top up money in e-wallet. First, we need to enter the amount, and for the note, it's optional to put or not. And then you can choose the payment method, and then click make payment button. If confirmed, click approve, and it will display the payment successful. Lastly is learning hub. You can choose either one, and it will display the information what you need. And also you can see the transaction history. Just click the arrow button and go to profile. You can see the personal information and security setting, you can click the biometric to on or off. And then you can also click privacy setting. Data sharing you can on or off, and for privacy control you can manage for third party and credit product offer concerns. Next is link account. You can choose for Facebook or Apple ID. If you click the Facebook, you need to enter username and password, and then you just click the login. And lastly, for the logout, you can click the profile and account setting, and at below you have a logout button, and just click the logout button again, and it will display the login homepage. So that's all from us. Thank you.